I'm Charlotte McLeod with the Investing News Network, and this is your quick look at the stories we covered this week that you need to read. This week, the INN team continued to post interviews from the recent New Orleans investment conference. Byron King spoke extensively about why investors should consider adding physical precious metals to their portfolio, while Adrian Day discussed the dangers of easy money and the benefits of having a clear investment strategy when it comes to gold. INN was also at Benchmark Minerals Week, where battery metals were a key topic of conversation. For lithium, a main question was whether the market has bottomed yet. Chris Berry of House Mountain Partners said that if we're not there yet, we're certainly close, while Howard Klein of RK Equity said that he expects to see a bottom in the current Lithium 2.0 phase of the market. Stay tuned for more coverage of the show, including expert commentary on other metals used in batteries like cobalt, graphite, and nickel. It's the season for quarterly reports, and Canopy Growth, Cronos Group, and Aleafia Health are among the cannabis companies that shared their latest results this week. While Canopy reported a 15% net revenue drop quarter on quarter, Cronos Group saw its net revenue grow 24% over the same time period. Aleafia's CEO said the latest quarter was the company's best ever. But despite the mix of results, all three companies fell in the market after reporting. INN also published an overview of cannabis in Lesotho, which is emerging as a force in the industry. In 2017, Lesotho was the first African country to grant a medical marijuana production license, and since then the country's government has been laying the groundwork for it to become a major player in the space on the continent. The tech arena also saw quarterly reports releases this week, with both Rewalk Robotics and Allied Esports sharing their latest results. While Rewalk had a challenging time reporting that sales of its exoskeleton slumped nearly 50% year on year, Allied said that its revenues rose 10% from the year-ago period. Finally, in the life science space, Sarepta Therapeutics and privately held Stride Bio said they are joining forces to develop gene therapies that target the central nervous system. Together, they will work on therapies for at least 8 central nervous system conditions, as well as neuromuscular diseases. That's all for this week. Tune in again next week when we tell you more about what's going on in the resource, cannabis, tech, and life science spaces. In the meantime, you can follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click below for our free report or any article mentioned in this video. See you next time.